Welcome back to my channel, everybody. In this video, we're doing a very simple, very achievable one eyeshadow, one brush look. It is a very easy on-the-go type look, and you can use it with any eyeshadow color that you would like. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. Okay, so for this look, I love using my Morphe 15D palette. It has a lot of neutrals in it. And I love using this color right here. I don't even know what it's called. It's called Upbeat. So it's just a really light orange peach color. And the brush I'll be using is my Makeup Shack T93 brush. It's like this. So you want something fluffy. The fluffier brushes, the easier it is to blend out your shadow. And what you want to remember is wherever you place your eyeshadow first is where most of the product will come off. That makes sense. So you want a lighter grip to it. And with that, you want to hold your brush right at the tip because it kind of gives you a little bit of a better control and a lighter hold to your brush. So that's what I like doing. So I am gonna do small circular motions in my crease first. Now, one thing I forgot to mention is I did my foundation first, and whenever I do that, I set my eyes with powder. And whenever you set your eyes with powder, your eyeshadow won't look as vibrant as you want it to. But you want to build this color up to your preferred amount that you want. So I'm doing inner circles going in, outer circles going out, and I am dragging this out. Okay, and just keep going as much as you want. And I'm looking down on my mirror. It kind of helps you really build it into your crease and lets your brush sink into your crease better. Okay? So once you do that, you want to grab the same color, exact same brush, and you just want to pat the shadow all over your eyelid. Okay? And remember, the fluffier your brush, the easier The fluffier your brush, the easier your eyeshadow will blend, and it'll take less time as well. So just remember that. I'm gonna do the same to this eye, using a light grip. So what you want to do with the same brush and with the same eyeshadow, you want to apply it on your lower lash line. You kind of want to like connect the shadow to the top so it doesn't have a weird gap. It doesn't look weird if you do have that gap, but it's just my preferred way of doing it. And using a fluffier brush for your lower lash line is going to smoke it out more than anything. It's not going to really show as much color, especially with the color that I'm using, but the focus isn't on the lower lash line. The focus is more on the top of your eyes than it is the lower, but it's way easier to build on color than it is to remove it. So always start with a tiny amount. Okay, I'm pretty sure we're done. Now I'm gonna add mascara. And curling your lashes, especially after you apply your mascara, well, before and after, it'll just kind of waken your eyes up. Waken your eyes up? Wakes your eyes up. There we go. It'll wake your eyes up. I think it's just a great thing to do before, or a great tip that you should do before you apply mascara. Especially if you naturally have droopier lashes or straight lashes, you want to curl them. If not throughout the day, you're putting more weight on your lashes with the mascara and it's just going to fall. It just opens up your eyes or awakens them. What I do to lengthen and thicken my lashes a little bit, I don't really have long lashes or thick lashes. I will apply my mascara right at the root and I'll wiggle it at the root and I'll just drag it up. So you want to wiggle, drag, wiggle, drag, wiggle, drag. That's it. Whew. It's hot in here. Okay. Now I'm gonna do my eyebrows and the rest of my face and I'll be right back. For my mascara, that's basically my last step, that and my lips. I'm going to use the mascara I used up top, which is the Maybelline Big Shot Mascara. And for the second mascara, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. And I love this one because of how thin the wand is. So I think it's super perfect for your lower lash line. Figure out a lip color. I don't even know what lip color I'm gonna use. But I'm gonna do that off camera as well.